What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the ET 125 from Kingkong, and this thing is a huge tiny whoop, a giant tiny whoop basically is what it looks like. But I think this thing is modeled after or attacking the market of the Blade, what is it, the Blade Torrent 110, I think it is. I think the Blade Torrent is a 110. But Kingkong does have a 115 version of this, which is about the size of the 110, more closer to the size. But this one is even larger at 125 millimeters, corner to corner there, motor to motor, diagonally. And this thing is huge, and it's pretty nice though. It flies pretty nice. I have test flown it, and it seems to do really well. It can even be flown indoors because of these heavy duty prop guards here. They don't really flex much, but they do have a little give to you. They do have a little give to them if you squeeze them hard enough, but they don't seem like they're gonna break. So that's really nice that these things are pretty durable, and they're not metal, they're plastic or some kind of plastic material, but they're durable at the same time. I'm pretty sure if you really tried, you can probably snap one of these. But in regular everyday flying, I don't think you'll be able to break these things. So pretty nice. This thing has some nice motors on it. There, you can see they're Sunny Sky motors. Maybe you can't see them, but they're Kingkong branded Sunny Sky motors. It says Sunny Sky on them as well, and they're 1104 7500 kV motors. And it comes with this G&B battery, 550 milliamp hours, 2S. And a lot of people tout these as the greatest, well, the best 2S batteries you can get, and sometimes the best 3S batteries in certain sizes. And so we're gonna test this thing out. Even though it has the JST, I'm thinking that it'll probably perform really well. We might be able to squeeze a little more performance out of it by switching this JST connection to an XT30. But right now, let's check it out. I think they're coming in binding flies, but this was the plug and play version, but it was already set up for DSM. I just switched it over to DSM-X and added the receiver, just plugged it right in, and now it's ready to go. So this one does have 2845 props, just like the Kingkong 110 GT. But let's take this thing up in the air and check it out. The VTX is 100 milliwatts to 25 milliwatts switchable. And if this is anything like the Fly Egg series, all of the VTX that they had on those, they came preset to 100 milliwatts. So this thing should be on 100 milliwatts. So let's take it up in the air and check it out. Let's try to take off with this battery. Okay, so it must not have charged. No buzzer now. So let's try a punch out. It's a really nice punch out on it. This thing is a giant whoop. And it flies nice. I like the way it flies. Nice power on it. Let's do some FPV. So it's a nice flyer, y'all. See if we can do some whooping, hitting some holes. I was going to go back in it again. Let's get out of there. So it seems like what I was thinking is right. It must be at 100 milliwatts. Got a little bit of the buzzer just now. See if we can make it through this. I didn't realize there was people in there. Let me stop. Okay, let's bring it in for a landing now. The battery's tapping out. So pretty awesome little flyer here. The ET 125 from Kingkong. I like it. Thanks for watching. Sorry, I didn't know you were there. Oh yeah, it probably wasn't this small. It probably was a big one.
That's pretty good. You're not good all over that.
Sorry again. All right now.